it's Kristen, and today to start off this look we're going to be using the Bare Minerals Pro Foundation in Cashmere 6, and I'm going to be putting this all over my face with the Beauty Blender. For a primer, we're going to be using the Lancome Tint Idole Ultra Wear Camouflage Concealer, and I'm putting this on my lids. For the eyeshadow, we're using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and we're going to start out with the color Love Letter. I'm going to be putting this color in the crease and sort of winging it outwards at the edges to create a sort of wing effect. And we're going to put a little bit of the Venetian Red in the outer corners to darken it up a little bit. Now I'm going to be putting a little bit of the darker color in the inner eye as well to make the middle of the eye stand out and look brighter. For the middle of the eye, I'm going to be using this Buxom customizable palette where I have this pink color here, and we're going to put this in the middle of the eye. And to top that with Vermeer from the Anastasia palette for the middle of the eye. And continue with the dark Love Letter color underneath. Now highlighting some more with the Vermeer color on the inner eyes and under the eyebrows. Here I'm using the Rimmel Scandalized Mascara, and I will also be topping this with false lashes later on. Now I'm brightening up underneath my eyes with the Lancome Stick Foundation. And contouring with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Palette in light to medium. For the blush, I'm using the Sigma Aura blush, and for a highlight, I'm using the Jeffree Star Beauty Killer palette for the color Princess that I'm using as a highlight. And for the lips, I'm using the Rimmel Moisture Renew Lipstick in the color Dusty Rose. That completes this burgundy, sort of purpley pink makeup look. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.